शिरगावच्या मीना खणीवेल्यान 17,000 टन खणमालाची येरादारी आधीच केल्या। आता फकत उरला तो 6,000 टन खणमाल। मयेगाव सोडलो जाल्यार खणमालाची येरादारी करपा खातीर आमचे कडेन पर्यायी रस्तो ना। तेन्ना उरिल्लो खणमाल व्हरपाची परवानगी दिवची असो युक्तिवाद खण कंपनीच्या वकिलान केलो। दुसरे वटेन कायद्याची पाळणूक जायना म्हणून उच्च न्यायालयान खण संचालनालय आणि प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचे कान ओडल्यात।
All the years of mining, but the Department of Mines, Directorate of Mines had given a permission for transportation to one company in 2022, which these villagers had come to the High Court to stop, and the High Court had stopped the transportation. Now another permission was given to another company to transport again through the Maye village, which we opposed on the grounds that the Ministry of Environment had issued a memorandum that no ore should go through the villages, and if you are using the village network, which means roads around it, see that they are properly strengthened and they have got carrying capacity. Now today the court recorded that out of the 26,000 metric tons of ore that was permitted to be transported by an order of 28th of December 2023, the company had started transporting on the 8th of January, and from 8th of January till 17th of January, they had already transported 17,000 metric tons of ore. So only 5,900 was left balance, and the court felt that although the villagers were prima facie entitled to relief, looking at the fact that 3/4 had already been transported, the court said that the balance 5,000 only and nothing more can go through Maye villages with certain conditions. One very important condition was that instead of the 230 trucks which were transporting through the village, there would be only 50 trips per day. They also reduced the timing to 10 AM to 12 noon and 2 PM to 5 PM.
आमची बाजू धरलेली आसा की हो जो ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन आसलो तो दोनूय डिपार्टमेंटांच्यान प्रॉपर परमिशन नासले आणि ते विदाउट प्रॉपर परमिशनाच्यान ते ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करीत म्हणून हांव एक क्वेश्चन तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान करूंक सोदता डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक PI आनी मामलेदारांक की तुमी खंयच्या बेसचेर आमकां थंयसर एरेस्ट केल्यात। हे जे आमकां एरेस्ट केल्या पळय ते इलिगॅलिटीज धरल्यान आनी तुमी एरेस्ट केला, ही तुमची सामकी चूक आसा। हे कोर्टान आयज दाखोवन दिल्लेलें आसा आनी आयज कोर्टान क्लियरली सांगलेलें आसा। आयज आमकां अशें दिसलें हांगासर कोर्टान की पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आणि मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट एकामेकाचेर धुकलतात की आपण दिवंक ना परमिशन आणि तेणी दिवंक ना परमिशन म्हणून दिलें कोणी तर म्हणजे हांगासर खंयसर तरी गॉडफादर आसा त्याच्या गॉडफादराच्या आशिर्वादान हांगासर इलिगॅलिटी चालू आसा। हे आयज हायकोर्टान हांगासर बंद केल्लेलें आसा। आमी खरोखरच मयाकर वटेनच्यान आमचे फार्मर्स एसोसिएशन आसा तशेंच बाकीचे नागरीक बाकीचे सपोर्ट्स जे आसा पळय त्यांचे हांव अभिनंदन करूंक सोदता आणि त्यांचे धन्यवाद म्हणूंक सोदता।
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।